Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this effect does not work with this device. So guys, if you want to apply any filter on your TikTok video and want to apply any effect on your TikTok video and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. As you can see here, simply you need to connect any Wi-Fi. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, secondly, you need to update your TikTok app. So guys, simply you need to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search TikTok. So guys, if you are Android user, then guys, you need to open your Play Store and search their TikTok. And guys, after searching TikTok, you need to update your app from App Store or Play Store. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to update your phone to latest version. So guys, if you are using iPhone user, then guys, simply you need to open your iPhone's settings and you need to click on general and click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, if you are Android user, then guys, you need to update your Android to 13. And guys, after updating your phone, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.